I'm here in Winston, Georgia today. We have new construction going on here. Prime Construction is the builder for this location, for this home. And I'm excited to show you a little bit of progress work. So let's go inside and take a peek.
Putting some tile back here, I believe. It's going to be like the oasis. Let's go see what's going on. And look how pretty this one is. So it's a really pretty like bluish color. This is going to be the main bathroom wall as you come into the master. You've got, looks like the tub's going to go in right there. And then the shower is where they're working currently. So I just love how pretty that is. Going to make such a beautiful statement right there. So he's prepping the wall now before he starts laying tile in here. So let's go on and see the other bathrooms. Okay, so this is going to be in the powder room. They've got some of the tile on this main wall back here. Look how cool this one is. They have really picked up some great selections. Okay, this one is upstairs in one of the bedrooms. We've got the tile set for above the bathtub. That looks so nice. I love how uniform it is. Very sleek, monochromatic, gorgeous. I love the art that goes into all of this. It's so beautiful. All right, let's continue on and see what else we have. Wow, that looks beautiful as well. We haven't run any lights yet, but just very monotone, monochromatic. There's a penny tile on the main floor, and then just a brick pattern on the back wall. I love, not too much going on. I really like how sleek it looks. It's gorgeous. Okay, this brings me to the last bathroom that we have got some work done in so far. So I'm gonna take you in here and then that'll be it for today. But this one is a herringbone pattern above this bathtub from floor to ceiling. I just think that it just turned out so pretty. So we still have the master bath that we're working on, and then there's another bathroom upstairs, and we'll also get to the flooring. But this will be to be continued, but wanted to give you some work in progress footage. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great day.